In this video, I'm going to show you how the tunneling document works. Tunneling is a concept in the field of computer networks and information security. In simple terms, it is a technique that allows the transport of data from one network protocol through another protocol, ensuring secure and efficient communication between different networks or devices. Following the same concept, the tunneling document in ADISRA SmartView is a task that runs in the background and aims to move the value of a tag to another tag. That is, it is possible to move the value of tag A to tag B and vice versa. Then, for example, with this feature, ADISRA SmartView is able to receive data from one PLC and send it to another PLC safely and efficiently. A new document is added to the application. Tunneling document is divided into three areas. Document settings, which contains a field to enable or disable the document. Filters applies a filter on which tags will appear in the list of items. Items shows a list of all tags that will be associated between the left and right sides. Use the parameters in the settings area as follows. Enable enables or disables tunneling document. You can also use a Boolean tag to enable or disable the document. Use the parameters in the filters area as follows. Left-right, apply a filter to the list of items according to the selected option. All configured items will be displayed. None, no configured item will be displayed. Database, displays only items configured with tags that have database communication. Opta-UA client, displays only items configured with tags that have OPC DA-UA client communication. Drivers, displays only items configured with tags that have drivers communication. Simulation, displays only items configured with tags that have simulation communication. Group, it only shows items from the selected group, that is, if the tag belongs to the driver group. This option allows filtering which driver sheets will be shown. Use the parameters in the items area as follows. Left expression, field to insert tag to which it will be associated. Right expression, field to insert tag to which it will be associated. Direction, defines how the association will be. There are three ways to associate the value of one tag to another tag. Left to right direction, that is, the value of a tag entered in the left expression field will be moved to the tag entered in the right expression field. Right to left direction, that is, the value of a tag entered in the right expression field will be moved to the tag entered in the left expression field. Bidirectional, moves the value of associated tags in both directions. It is important to mention that if the direction of an item is defined as bidirectional, the initial direction is from left to right. For this example, we are going to move Boolean, integer, and real tag values. In the first line, let's add a tag called Boolean1 and insert it in the first line of the column left expression. After adding, you will automatically need to create the tag. Repeat the process for the Boolean2 tag. Now set the direction. On the second line, let's add a tag called integer1 and insert it in the second line of the left column expression. After adding, you will automatically need to create the tag. Now set the direction. On the third line, let's add a tag called float1 and insert it in the third line of the left column expression. After adding, you will automatically need to create the tag. Repeat the process for the float2 tag. Then, when starting the application in runtime mode, the tags of the same line will be moved according to the defined direction. On the first line, the value of the Boolean1 tag will be moved to the Boolean2 tag. On the second line, the tag integer2 value will be moved to the integer1 tag. And in the third line, the value of the tags will be bidirectional. And by default, the value of tag float1 will be moved to tag float2, as mentioned in the text above. So let's test the assignments. Let's start the application in runtime mode. After starting the application, let's open the Data Watcher to test the tunneling document. Let's insert all the tags created. As you can see, according to the direction definitions, the Boolean1 tag moves the value to the Boolean2 tag, but the Boolean2 tag is not able to move the value to the Boolean1 tag. Integer tags, according to direction definitions, integer2 tag moves value to integer1 tag, but integer1 tag is not able to move value to integer2 tag. The float tags, according to the direction definitions, it is possible to move the value to both directions. It is possible to move the value of a tag to another tag by script, for example within services document, triggers or in script of screen objects. However, it is not possible to move with bidirectional direction. It is also possible to export and import a trigger document. With this resource, it is possible to create many triggers in a fast and practical way. It is worth mentioning that, when exporting and importing a document, the structure of the document must be respected in order not to generate errors. More information about the tunneling document can be found in the help document. Thanks for watching until the end. Visit the ADISRA website for more information or contact info@adisra.com or the sales team.